Ever feel like your business is stuck in neutral? Today, we're diving into operational excellence, the third pillar that turns effort into real progress. First, what is it? It's making your daily work smarter, like Toyota, who cut waste and became a giant. Picture Mike's pizza shop. Messy orders led to lost customers. He documented processes and automated scheduling. Boom, 25% more sales. So, here's the deal. Document your processes, automate those repetitive tasks, track your key metrics, and, well, just keep improving all the time. The stats are pretty clear on this. Businesses see up to a 30% boost in revenue. Need a hand? Our digital marketing services are designed to drive more traffic your way. Just book a call with us. One question I get a lot is, how do I even start? Well, just pick one problem and fix it. That's really all it takes to get going. Go ahead and sharpen your systems today. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips.